Hi guys, my name is Eugene Bruno and I'm the managing trial attorney at Bruno Associates, a personal injury law firm in San Diego, California. Today we'll be talking about whether it is the smarter thing to settle your personal injury claim or take your case to trial. First of all, you should know that most cases don't require a lawsuit. Most cases settle without a lawsuit. Those cases that require a lawsuit, well, most of them settle without trial too. Certainly, settlement is faster, easier, and less risky than taking your case to trial. If you receive a settlement offer from the other driver's insurance that is reasonable and fairly compensates you for what you've been through, then settlement and avoiding the litigation process could be the smart option for you. However, if the insurance company is lowballing you, if they are refusing to deal with you in good faith, if they're dragging out the settlement process and now you're facing a statute of limitations, well, you may have no choice but to file a lawsuit. The trial attorneys at Bruno Associates can help you decide whether settlement or trial is in your best interest. We will evaluate your case based on the specific facts and circumstances of your case and the offer, if any, from the other driver to determine what the reasonable course of action is. If we believe you have a strong case, if we believe that you will beat the other driver's insurance company offer at trial, then we will fight aggressively in the courtroom to make sure that you receive everything you're entitled to. We won't leave anything on the table. Some clients have fears or reservations about filing a lawsuit. They fear the process itself. I tell them, don't be afraid. Our attorneys are fierce advocates. They are experienced at the negotiating table and in court, and we'll be with you at every step of the way. We'll make sure you understand the process, and we will fight to make sure that you receive everything you're entitled to. Ultimately, the decision whether to accept a settlement offer or to take your case to trial is your decision, the client's decision. The attorney's job is to give you advice in terms of what is the best option for you. And again, that option is going to be based on the specific facts and circumstances of your case. What's right for you may not be right for someone else. You can rest assured too that our advice will be backed up by years, decades of experience, both at the negotiating table and in the courtroom. The trial lawyers at Bruno Associates will be happy to speak to you about your case at any time, and will help you determine whether the settlement offer that may be on the table for you right now is something that you should seriously consider, or whether you should be looking at filing a lawsuit to get the compensation you deserve. Trial lawyers at Bruno Associates will be happy to talk to you about your case anytime, and we can walk you through the process of whether a settlement offer that you're currently considering is reasonable and should be accepted, or whether you should file a lawsuit to obtain the compensation you deserve. There's never any fee or obligation for talking to our attorneys. Give us a call today. Thanks.